One. Go!
1, 2, 3, go!
Congratulations, Marish and Paul. We love you guys.
Paul and Marish, congratulations on your first baby.
Welcome to parenthood.
Yay! Enjoy lang every moment. Kabalo ko lisod jud sa sugod, pero happy lang, enjoy lang.
It will get better over time. And habang wala pa si baby, sleep a lot guys and date often. Kay it will be a whole new world paggawas na ni baby. Every day seems like a survival mode. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. Lisod gyud siya. But as long as strong in yung foundation and the support systems and yung duha and the people around you, ma-okay ra, masimpag lima ka buok. And we know you'll be the best parent, guys. Marsh, we are praying for your safe delivery, healthy baby boy, and we miss you guys. See you soon and
Merry Christmas!
Yay! Bye! Hi guys! Hi Paul and Marish! Kamusta? Congrats sa inyo ha guys sa new chapter. Hinaut unta na full of love, joy, and happiness, and more blessing pagyud sa inyo ha as new parents sa inyo hang baby boy. Grabe, excited na may para sa inyo ha guys. Lalo na kung kinsa bagyud ang kanawong ni baby. Is it the mommy or the daddy? Yeah, enjoy the parenthood journey guys. And lingaw daw na, ingon sila. Ingat mo perme o see you diri pohon. Bye!
Hello, Marsh and Paul. On behalf of my family, I want to greet you. Congratulations to your first baby. Enjoy being a parent very soon. Like to you.
Hi, Paul and Mars. Thank you for giving me the 4th great grandchild. As the great grandma, may you have more children
To come.
to come. Love you!
Love you.
Hello, Maris! Congrats! Welcome to motherhood. Happy na yun. January or February? Basta, Jesus and Mama Mary will be with you when you deliver baby Morris Job. And to Morris Job, I will bless you that you will be a good boy, a good son, a God-fearing person, and everything that is positive. And Kuya Jane Paul, I know you will be the best father of baby Angel. Once again, congratulations. You're almost there.
Hi Maris Paul, congrats sa inyo, kaming baby ninyo. Happy timing kay manuwagan na mong apo. Nagana kayo sa mga bantayon. Excited namin makita ang inyong baby nga kitay. Congrats and happy advance sa papa o mama na ninyo. Good night.
Bye-bye.